Welcome to ASAP. This is Boy Band PH.
Guys, please visit our website, asap.abs-cbn.com/chat.
Alright, okay.
Yeah.
Guys, ito game. First question. Kalabas lang ng inyong bagong music video.
Yay!
More about it. Muna natin kay Sabaw.
Yeah, it's a music video for latest single, Unli, by Boy Band PH, featuring Janela Salvador.
Eh, syempre, first time namin magkaroon ng music video kaya natutuwa kami dahil sinusuportahan niyo po ang Boy Band PH.
Kamusta ang paggawa ng music video niyo?
Syempre, sobrang saya tsaka ini-enjoy namin. At syempre, nagpapasalamat kami sa mga sumusuporta sa amin. At sana suportahan nyo kami hanggang sa dulo. Yun.
Ayun, sobrang anli ang saya, anli ang ligaya, kaya sana mapasaya namin kayo dahil anli pag-ibig ang ibibigay namin sa inyo.
Russell, anong hindi mo makakalimutan sa paggawa ng music video?
Kinilig.
It was, well, the whole music video in general, it was kind of a new experience for all of us because we've never quite filmed for a music video, so, you know, singing for the camera and projecting towards that was something kind of new for us. But also for me, I was the only one who had to come, like, face to face with Janela Salvador, so I was kind of like singing to her, I was like, it was just really awkward for me. Is that...
Kasi, torpe siya.
He's right.
Pero bukod sa music video, it's a special day dahil sineselebrate natin ang birthday ni
Tristan!
Hey, thank you guys, thank you.
Tristan. Ngayong birthday mo, anong wish mo?
Sana suportahan nila kami ng solid ng pagmamahal nila at sana more blessings to come at sana mapanood niyo na kami sa Araneta. Yan!
Meron bang araneta ng mga magaganap for Boy Band PH?
Ayun ang aabangan nila kasi ang album namin malapit niyo nang mapakinggan.
More songs coming up kasi malapit na lumabas ang album namin. So, I'm really excited for you guys to hear our newest songs. So, yun, abangan nyo yun.
Ayun. Abangan niyo na rin yung latest single album namin. Malapit na pong i-release yun.
This week, ang hashtag natin ay
Hashtag
Sap Sari-Sari Surprise.
Alam niyo naman sa Pilipinas, marami tayong mga sari-sari store. So dati feeling ko nakakabili naman ako sa mga sari-sari store. Kayo ba, ano bang madalas yung paborito yung bilhin sa isang sari-sari store before?
Sa akin, ice candy dati, tsaka yung mga soft drinks kasi nilalagay nila sa plastic. So, parang new experience yun sa akin. Tsaka natutuwa ako kasi it's in the plastic eh. Parang nakakaiba lang. That's it.
Ako naman naalala ko nung bata ako, madalas ako bumili ng candy kasi dati piso 2 yun, di ba? Then ngayon piso 1 na lang. Kasi ganoon talaga tumataas yung value.
Sa Cebu, ano lang, mga soft drinks lang, tsaka chicheria, mga ganun lang, oo.
Ayun, dati kasi pagka mahilig kasi ako mag-basketball yun nga, pagkatapos namin maglaro, pumunta kami sa tindahan, tapos bumibili kami ng ice tubig, tapos kakagatin mo lang yung dulo ng tubig, tapos instant tubig na talaga nasa plastic. Kaya, yun. Gawin niyo yun.
You can buy anything you want. I don't really know how to answer. Obviously, I've never been to a sari-sari store. I'm an amboy, so. Maybe we'll go. No, well, when I was really young, maybe just like the soda thing, and that's about it that I've ever bought in like recent memory. But not really. No.
Guys, abangan nyo. Album namin coming out soon. Real soon. So, yeah, just wait for that. And we're really excited for that. Yeah.
And wag niyo kakalimutang i-follow ang ating official Facebook, IG, and Twitter page, Boy Band PH.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/boybandph.
At syempre, kung gusto nyo kami makita ulit, abangan nyo po kami sa ASAP. Every Sunday na po yan.
At ako po, nasabi na po nilang lahat, pero papasahin namin kayo every time na makikita nyo kami. Boy Band PH!
Marami pa kayo abangan, updates and videos at asap.abs-cbn.com/chat. And this is Boy Band PH. See you guys.
Hi, everybody.